Yeah, this is one of those rubberized surfaces that was really popular about 10 years ago. And then it got all sticky. Yeah, that's nasty. And now you don't want to touch it because it's gross. So your helmet's still good, or whatever it is. And you want it to be nice and shiny again, right? Well, I just did a test with chem tool, mineral spirits, tar and bug remover, lacquer thinner, and paint thinner. And you know what I found out? Lacquer thinner's the winner. So there you go, try it out. I'm gonna do some more and show you how good it works. So look at that, it's coming right off. So all it takes is elbow grease. And some lacquer thinner. Look at that. It's almost ready to wear again. You gotta keep using a fresh cloth though, because it gunks up. That's a world difference right there. Thumbs up. So it's obviously not necessary for you to watch the whole thing in real time. So I sped it up for you. But, you know, really, you gotta work on this. It's not gonna just wipe right off. And if it did, you should probably be afraid of the surface below anyway. But this is a pretty hard painted surface. I guess it's gel coat since it's a helmet. But the lacquer thinner has taken off of this coating and left the top coat just fine. If you're going to be doing some other material, check it on like a spot that isn't so obvious. I'm sure it's going to take your rubberized coating off, but you know, what about the surface underneath? I've got a little GoPro camera that's coated with that rubber stuff too, and it's nasty. I've also got car parts on my car, like the little coin tray and all that stuff, and it worked really well on that. So anyway, good luck. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. I've even got a link to some lacquer thinner in the comments below. Anyway, I do hope that whatever it is you're working on, you can get it nice and clean too, and you know, basically bring new life to an old product. In this case, it's a helmet that nobody was able to wear, but now we can wear it again. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what it is that you're working on, and if you use a lacquer thinner or if you find something else more successful. Like I said, the solvents and cleaners that I tried, nothing was successful except for this lacquer thinner. I'm sure there's other stuff out there that works better, but I don't know it. So definitely keep us posted. Share with the community. Pass it forward. This is all about helping other people out. I hope it works for you. And like I said, test on an inconspicuous area. And good luck. Peace.